This is the Letsfit Fitness Tracker.
Coming inside the box is the fitness tracker, which looks very nice. Both of the straps that attach to the unit, which have a cool pattern on the straps, so they're also rubber. You have the satisfied with our product, having questions or problems with our product, the disassembly and charging, how to charge, and how to assemble the machine, and you get your user manual.
Remember to charge this thing. One side of the thing will have a USB built right into it to plug straight into the wall. And how to build it, as you can see right over here, this, you just put it on one side in, and the next just pushes right in there, and it's a snug fit. Now, to disconnect, just pull off like that, just sideways like you were to connect it. Now, how do you connect this fitness tracker with the app? So turn on your phone and navigate to Very Fit Pro. Here is the app. You have all of your options right here, and you can sync down to pair and everything, and to connect actually, and to sync it all up. And it can take your heart rate and do everything here, manage your sleep, manage all of your stuff, tell you if you have software updates and other things. When you're looking for this fitness tracker in the Bluetooth settings, it will show up as ID131 Color HR. You click that, it'll pair connect, and it'll show up with all these settings. Now, fitness tracker itself, you have a bunch of different settings here. So I'm gonna here you go. So how you work it is you press this white button right over here, and it will turn on. It will switch to the different functions here. Heart rate will show up with the green on the back of it. Here, heart rate shows with the green. All this green means is it'll scanning your heart rate. Now, you can go through the different modes. There's walk, run, there's bike, and then there's time. Now, if you want to connect this to, if you want to start a workout of any sort, just tap and hold on that, and it will do that, and it will make a buzz and start. Any other information you want to know about this product, please leave a question in the comments down below. Maybe I can help you. Leave a comment or question in the Amazon page. You can contact the seller directly by email or from after sale card. And the fitness tracker meets all of my needs. It's walking sports model. It is IP68 waterproof, so you can wear it during a shower. While it doesn't have a swim mode, you can still wear it while you're swimming.